Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Last night, gospel artist Kevin Downswell hosted the launch event for his first live album titled Realignment, The Live Encounter, and the second staging of his Realignment Chapter 2 concerts under the theme Restored. The event saw performances from the JCDC Children's Gospel Song 2017 winner Shauna Steele, along with the Gospel Children's winner and gospel artist Jim Radical.
Oh, it's been a hard road to travel and a mighty long way to go. In the struggle so long you don't know what you're fighting for.
I was ashamed 'cause I couldn't praises there.
We have an amazing lineup for the concerts. We're also going to be in Sav June 2nd for a small road show. Then we're going to be in Mandeville on June 9th, another road show with Haiti on the truck and make Panais and so on. The idea is community engagement. Let them know that they're not forgotten. Let them know that we love them, and let's work together to impact Ferris and impact Hanbury in Mandeville. That's what Realignment is all about. It's live, my first live album. And so I've always wanted to do a live album, but I never thought we could do it in Jamaica, because I never thought we had the level of technology to do it. But we got it done.
Realignment was recorded in front of a live audience and was self-produced by Downswell's own records. The album is slated to be released on June 15. Realignment emerged from the annual series of events done by Kevin Downswell's ministries, which focuses on giving back to the communities, especially children. The staging of the Chapter 2 concert for the event titled Restored will feature a stellar lineup of international and local acts such as Jonathan Nelson, DJ Nicholas, Rondo Positive, and Downswell, among others. The event kicks off on June 15 and will conclude on June 23. Dancehall artist Mavado has teamed up with Jewish-American reggae vocalist Mattis Yahu on a new single titled Coming From Afar. The reggae-influenced track is said to be from Mattis Yahu's forthcoming EP. Mattis Yahu emerged on the scene back in 2006 with the release of the single King Without a Crown, which peaked at number 28 on the Billboard Hot 100 chart. The track was certified gold for sales of over 500,000 copies in the United States. Mavado recently performed on the Best of the Best concert that was held on Sunday. Mavado performed a slew of his hits as he shared the stage with dancehall artist Jamil.
I thought you were dead.
Why does everybody else think I'm dead?
Now, popular sitcom star Roseanne Barr's new revamped sitcom Roseanne has been cancelled due to a racial comment she made via social media yesterday. In the tactless tweet, Roseanne compared former Barack Obama aide Valerie Jarrett, who is African American, to an ape. Roseanne has since apologized for the racial remark, blaming the outburst on the influence of the insomnia medication Ambien. ABC maintained the decision to cancel its hit sitcom despite massive ratings that had propelled the rebooted Roseanne series into one of the network's most successful programs. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.